From the regulator to the gas valve to the manifold, we now find ourselves at the burners. All gas appliances have one or more burners into which fuel and primary air are drawn and mixed prior to combustion. The burners are either mounted directly to the manifold or affixed to the spud to ensure proper alignment. The most common burners are constructed of aluminum, cast iron, or steel. Cast iron burners are typically found in boilers. Burners can be separate pieces or part of a single component called the burner rack. The most common burners are the ribbon, the slotted, the upshot, and the inshot. Burners have a large opening at their inlet that narrows before opening up again. This is called a venturi. The venturi acts to lower the pressure but increase the velocity of the gas as it flows down the burner tube. This lower pressure causes the primary air to be pulled in and mixed with the gas. The increase in velocity forces the gas-air mixture down the burner tube and through the openings in the burner. We can see in the image the location of the venturi. When multiple burners are used, a cross-lighter or carryover is incorporated to ensure smooth ignition at each burner. In some systems, the carryover is a separate component that the burners mount to, forming a burner rack, as seen in the image. On other systems, each burner will have a small piece of the carryover that, when aligned properly, forms one continuous path or channel. The channel of the flame carryover should be cleaned during service to ensure proper ignition of the burners.